Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn about the different file editors that are available in Parrot operating system and as well as in other Linux machines. So let's get started. Now, in Linux, there are several file editors available, each with its own strengths and features. So let's talk about the types of file editors available first. So the first one is going to be the terminal-based file editor that can be edited using the command line interface or the terminal. And another one is you can edit the files using the graphical editor. So it can be created in graphical environments. So two types of file editors available. Now within the terminal based editors, we have got two types of file editors, and the first one is the Vim or VI improved. Now Vim is a highly configurable, powerful text editor that is popular among developers and system administrators. And to install it, you can use the command sudo apt install vim on Debian-based systems, or you can use sudo yum install vim on CentOS or Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems. Usually it is pre-installed on most Linux distributions, but if not, you can install it using these package managers. And you can use the command vim followed by the file name to create or to edit or to modify the file. And we have got another powerful and extensible editor with a steep learning curve, but provides many features beyond simple text editing. So it is known as Emacs. Now, similar to Vim, Emacs can be installed via the package manager, sudo apt install Emacs on Debian-based systems, or you can use sudo yum. Now, this sudo yum install Emacs can be used to install on CentOS operating system and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And for editing or modifying the file, you can use Emacs followed by the file name, and you can start editing or start creating the file. Now, based upon the graphical editors, the first one is the gedit. Now, gedit is the default text editor for the non-desktop environment, but can be installed and used on other desktop environments as well. Usually available in repositories, but you can just use sudo apt install gedit to install on Debian-based systems, or you can use sudo yum install gedit to install on CentOS or Red Hat Enterprise Linux machines. Now, to open the file, you can use the command gedit followed by the file name, and you can start creating or editing the file. We have got another one, which is Kate. Now, Kate is the default text editor for the KDE desktop environment, but can also be installed and used in other environments. You can install it using sudo apt install Kate on Debian-based systems, or if you wanted to install it on Red Hat Enterprise or CentOS operating system, you can run the command sudo yum install Kate. And to use it, you can type Kate followed by the file name, and you can start creating and editing the file. And other notable mentions. Now, we have got Nano, a simple beginner-friendly terminal-based text editor, often pre-installed on many Linux distributions. We have got Sublime Text, a powerful graphical text editor with advanced features and a large plugin ecosystem, not open source but widely used. We have got Atom, a hackable text editor for the 21st century, developed by GitHub, highly customizable and extendable. And choosing an editor. So use case, consider your needs, simple editing, coding, system configuration, and choose an editor that suits your workflow. Familiarity: if you are new to Linux, start with simpler editors like gedit or Nano might be easier before diving into more complex ones like Vim or Emacs. Based upon customization, some editors are highly customizable with plugins and configurations. Example: Vim, Emacs, Sublime Text, which can enhance productivity but may require more initial steps. our initial setup. Now, each editor has its own set of features and learning curve, so experimenting with a few and finding what fits best with your workflow is often the best approach. So this is all about the file editors that are available in Linux as well as in Parrot operating system, and then we're going to learn about how to use some of the file editors that are effective and then most popular and powerful. So this is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.